Hello, I'm Mihela. Today we'll be talking about a small cute owl that is endemic to Sri Lanka. The Chestnut-backed Owlet. Unfortunately, it is listed as near threatened. The Chestnut-backed Owlet is a part of the larger grouping of owls known as typical owls, Strigidae, which contains most of the smaller owl species. Small owl lacking ear tuft with chestnut mantle and pale belly with streaked flanks. It is endemic to Sri Lanka. Chestnut-back and streaked flanks of Chestnut-backed Owlet separate it from the similar Jungle Owlet, and Chestnut-back also prefers the wetter region of the island. Occurring singly or in pairs in wet rainforests or neighboring woods. Their calls are like It is featured in the 10 rupee postal stamp in Sri Lanka. Locally named Sri Lanka Pita Thambala Upabassa. I have not seen the Chestnut-backed Owlet. One such place you can see them is Wattegama near Kandy. These are some of the pictures of the jungle trek and the hotel we stayed near Wattegama.